to feel fabulous this spring? All right, let's get started. All right, first let's remove these nails. I've had them on for about 2 weeks. I already lost one, as you can see, but that was my mistake. I know exactly what happened and why it came off and why the other ones didn't. And to be honest to you, I think I can wear these nails for another 2 weeks with no problem. Of course, you're gonna have that growth, but other than that, I mean, this is I love Jello peel off base. Whenever I want to change my set, it's really easy, and they can last a really long time. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this real quick. We're gonna go ahead and apply a fresh set of nails. As you can see, they come off so easy. I'm also gonna move to this other hand and remove the four four nails because I already lost one. But yeah, they come off so easy. And at the same time, if you want to keep them for longer, you can. So that's the beauty of the Jello. I really love this stuff. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove the residue. Okay, and if you haven't tried this product before, you have to. You have to give it a try. I think everyone that loves nails should have this product. Okay, it's absolutely awesome. Okay, so now let's go ahead and apply the Jello. I went ahead and sized the nail tips. Those are from Kira Sky, medium length, I believe. And I'm gonna use this Young Nail Protein Bond, and also I'm gonna apply this glue from Tipex. I really like this one. I don't know, it just makes it easier to apply. So I'm just gonna put a small amount and apply them to my nails. With this glue, a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so you don't have to apply a lot, just a little bit. Depending on your nail size, but a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna flash cure it, maybe for just a few seconds. And then of course we're gonna go in the big lamp and cure it for a full minute. Now that we have all the nails on, well, on this hand at least, all right, I realized that this color doesn't suit my skin tone. I don't know, it's just something off. They look a little brownish, yellowish, as you can see. So I figure I'm gonna use this gel polish from Gaoi. Okay, and also I'm gonna use this Divac later on. But this, I figured if I'm gonna apply a thin layer, it's gonna change the color. As you can see, it's not much of a difference, but you'll see later. We're gonna apply that Divac um, Cat Eye from their White Knight collection. It's a beautiful, beautiful gel polish. So I'm gonna use that, but for now I'm just gonna apply this just to change the tone of the color. I don't know, it's just weird. It just they look kind of weird. So let's go ahead and use this one from Divac DM26. Okay, and we're just gonna apply a thin layer, and we're gonna use the magnet and just create that beautiful cat eye effect. Okay, so we're gonna do that just to cover that color. I just didn't like it. I don't know. So maybe it's great for um, somebody else, but for my skin tone, it just looks like I'm sick or something. So we're just gonna change that real quick. I'm just gonna use the magnet in between, of course. So first we apply it, then we use the magnet, and then we cure it. It's beautiful. In person, it's absolutely gorgeous. Lately, I've been obsessed with the cat eye polishes. So I have quite a few now. I have quite a few colors. But this collection from Divac, it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I know it's a little expensive, but if you haven't tried it, at least just grab one shade from them and give it a try. It's really, really nice. To add some strength to my nails, I'm going to use this gel. This is more like a builder gel. Okay, so it's just going to help your nails last longer, I guess, and also they're going to be more stronger. Okay, you can use this or any other brand, it doesn't really matter, or you don't have to use it at all. I prefer to use it just because I feel like it gives me a little bit more strength. I'm really hard on my nails, really hard. So this really helps me to, have that design and have the nails not chip for a while. So now I'm gonna use this stickers. Those are from Temu. Okay, so they're really, really pretty, especially for spring with the little flowers. They're really, really gorgeous. If you found my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. I usually post once a week and I do a lot of easy beginner friendly nail art. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. these flowers are perfect for this design, especially for spring. The little flowers are so delicate and cute. They turn out to be so beautiful, so elegant. For spring, they're absolutely perfect. So now, in order to make sure that my flowers are not going anywhere, I'm gonna use this top coat from Apres. You can use whatever top coat that you prefer. I'm also gonna apply some underneath the nails. I don't know, it just completes the nail set. It just makes it look much better whenever I apply it. Of course, don't just slap it on. Make sure you apply it intentionally, okay? So it's gonna look good. And look at this, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. And let's not forget the cuticle oil. I'm gonna use this one from Young Nails. I really like this one. So I'm just gonna apply it everywhere because my nails need it. They're so dry. This set turned absolutely beautiful. In person, they look so elegant. So yeah, it was really easy, and I think you can do it too. So let me know, what do you think about this set? Thank you so much for being with me here today, and thank you for watching my video until the end. And if you don't want to wait until I post again, go ahead and watch another one right here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.